In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Google Colab notebook, specifically a ipynb file, directly from your Google Drive. Google Colab is an incredibly useful tool available for both new and experienced data scientists, providing a collaborative coding environment in your web browser. Whether you're transitioning a project from local storage to the cloud or collaborating with others on a shared notebook, this tutorial will guide you smoothly through the process. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Google Colab website. Simply open your web browser and enter colab.research.google.com. This will take you to the homepage of Google Colab, which, if you haven't seen it before, may feel similar to a mix between Jupyter Notebooks and Google Docs, a highly versatile space for scripting and data analysis. Once you have the Colab interface open, look towards the top left of the screen where you'll find a drop-down menu labeled File. Clicking on this will reveal several options, but for our purposes today, you'll want to select Open Notebook. This simple step will initiate the process of accessing any notebooks you have stored in different locations. After selecting Open Notebook, a dialog box will appear featuring several tabs. One of them is Google Drive. Click on the Google Drive tab, which will prompt Colab to display any .ipynb files you have in your Google Drive. If this is your first time connecting Colab to Google Drive, you might need to authorize the connection, allowing Colab to access your saved files. Don't worry, this is a secure step and is necessary to access your work seamlessly. Now, you will see a streamlined view of your drive with easy access to your recent files and any specific folders you've set up. Browse through your Google Drive here and locate the .ipynb file you wish to open. This interface is built to make file retrieval straightforward so you can focus more on your work rather than navigation hurdles. Once you've found the desired notebook, simply click to select it, and it will open in a new tab within the Colab interface, ready for you to edit, analyze, or present. And that's all it takes. You have seamlessly opened a Google Colab notebook from Google Drive within just a few clicks. With this knowledge, you're now better equipped to manage your projects and collaborate more efficiently, all without leaving the cloud. Remember, keeping your work organized in Google Drive not only makes it easier to find and open in Colab, but also ensures your projects are safe and accessible from anywhere. Congratulations on mastering this process, and happy coding.